Okay, if you use the dbeaver, you can go to this user interface. There's a button over here, and then we just simply choose create. Okay, create a connection. You choose you can see the popular one. You just simply find the H2 right here. You can see H2 embedded over here. You can choose this one. So I just did. So let me show you how to configure. So added the connection. Okay. So as you can see, just simply copy where the H2 DB file folder is. You just simply input the folder name. You put it right here. Okay. Okay. That's it. You can test it. Once you test it, the dbeaver will create these two files for you. Very, very simple. Okay. And then we just create a table, right? We create a table. You can see the definition of this table. You can see over here. Okay, the column. The column means the name. Okay, the name. And then you can right click here, right click here. There's a generate SQL. Okay, you can choose that's a DDL. DDL. DDL means the data definition language. Okay. Oh, everything is here, right? You can see there's the drop table. You see over here, drop table, create a unique index, and so on and so forth. Okay. So this is the SQL statement for create table. Okay. So as you can see, if you use the dbeaver, it is very simple and easy to use for use. So there's no need to remember the SQL statement detail because it will tell you. Okay, then you can right click again. Since we want to insert a data, right? You can choose this one, insert data, and you will see there's a template. So template means that you can copy and paste. Okay, so once you have this, but remember you need to close it first because you are going to disconnect. Okay, disconnect, and I can close it. I can close it. Now we go back to our second example, W04-2. So in this program, I'm going to show you how to insert a record into the relational database. As you can see, still this string vector, insert into stock info. You just see from the dbeaver. But the only difference is that in the value part, I use person F. That means I want to replace with values later. Okay, so still I got a template over here, and then DB connection is over here, which is template. Okay, from now the 22 line is that to truncate the stock info. Truncate table means that I wanted to eliminate all the records in this table. And then I'm going to compose the insert SQL. Okay, as you can see, I just simply input a tuple over here. The first one is the IBM because the stock ID. The second one is stock date. And then the rest 6 numbers, you just simply use the random number. Okay, for this part, just compose the insert SQL statement. That's all. And then I execute the SQL. It will insert a new record for you. And then the 35 line is to make sure that we insert the record correctly. As you can see, I just select everything, every column from the stock info. Okay, and then I fetch all. Fetch all means I want to grab all the records. As a matter of fact, for now, it's just only one record. Okay, and then there's a for loop over here. I want to enumerate every records in this result set. For now, just one, and then put the result into a variable called a raw, and then I printed this raw, and then close as a template. So let's go back to the PowerShare. I just simply type 204-2. That's it. I run it, and then I got it. Okay, it's a random number. Okay, as you can see, the data type of this raw is a tuple because you can see there's a parameters right over here. Okay, okay, that's it. Right now, you know how to run SQL from PowerShare. That's first thing. The second is that you know how to create a H2 data table, and also you know how to insert record and how to query a record. Okay,